At a discount store in Florida, an incident of public indecency prompted a swift police response. A man engaged in inappropriate behavior toward a woman in a public setting and was immediately detained by law enforcement. This case highlights not only concerns over public safety, but also the suspect's personal turmoil and psychological breakdown.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm assuming you already know, right?
Okay, so...
He has a black scully on. He's standing right to my right.
So tell me what you saw.
He took it out. Jerked it and had his phone like this. While I'm like this trying to get something from the top shelf. But as you can see, I'm a little, right, you know.
Okay. Then you said he's wearing a black scully?
Black scully from what I can see. Black shirt, white shorts.
Huh?
He's shopping.
Am I shopping? No, ma'am. Uh-oh. So, black shirt?
He just went through the house. He was right here in front of me.
Okay.
He ran that way.
Which one? Hey, man, how you doing?
Good, I
You gotta step over here and talk with me.
Yes, sir.
So, step over here. Put your hands behind your back for me. Put your hands behind your back for me. Go. You understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Get on your belly now.
Yes, sir. Can I call my girl?
Get on your belly now!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, your fucking stomach.
Wow. Can I call my girl?
Shut up. Shut your fucking mouth.
Yes, sir. I'm on probation, man. I had to.
All right, be quiet. We'll get to that in a second. You got him.
Oh my God. I'm going. I'm to the.
Stop.
I'm not resisting. My hands are here. There you go. Hey, man, could you help me? Could you got my phone? I'm not from here, man. Please, I swear to God, I will cooperate. I am cooperating. Could you please? Please?
Wait 1 second.
Yes, sir.
You got any weapons on you?
No, sir.
All right. Put one foot this way.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thanks, sir.
You get to get your pass next time.
I had to use the restroom now.
So you take out the bathroom.
What are you doing?
My niece hurt. I'm so sorry.
Sitting in your bathroom next time. No one and delete that picture of me off your phone.
I don't have no picture of me.
Let's go this way.
Where'd you park at?
I'm parked over there.
Huh?
I'm parked over there.
From the moment police arrived to the suspect's restraint, it was clear that he was emotionally unstable. During the arrest, he repeatedly pleaded for forgiveness, claimed he was on vacation, insisted he needed help, and mentioned being on probation. His actions reflected overwhelming fear and helplessness in the face of legal consequences. Meanwhile, law enforcement's calm and professional response underscored their ability to manage unexpected incidents. Ultimately, the suspect was charged with resisting without violence and exposure of sexual organs, and sentenced to 120 days in county jail.
Spread your feet.
Oh,
Your feet.
my God. Yes, sir. Oh, my God. I'm done. I'm done. I'm sure to God. I'm going to have to go to jail. I'm for at least a year, man. I'm sure to God.
Calm down.
I need help, man.
Calm down.
Please call my lady. That's all I'm asking for.
We'll figure that out in a second. I'm telling you, chill out.
That's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Please.
You got any ID on you?
No, sir.
No, no.
Mount Dora 440 Lake.
I got dropped off from my lady.
Go ahead.
You got one detained.
I called it in.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Want to hold them so I can search them? Yeah, I still got to search.
Stop fucking moving, dude. You got blood on your arms. We're trying to get...
You need medical?
No, sir. Yeah, I think I need medical. I do. I'm going to fucking jail, man. I'm on probation for...
I need to set up. We got the cuffs on him.
I'm
I just
asking
called
for guys
for
to help. I need. I'm going to get personal. They're gonna hate me. I'm never gonna have a family again. I'm losing my family. I'm losing everything.
Come on, knees.
This case serves as a reminder that the law not only safeguards social order, but also sets boundaries for personal conduct. Regardless of the reasons, unlawful actions lead to serious consequences. It also reflects the fragility and loss of control some individuals experience under social pressures. Public safety ultimately depends on personal discipline and respect for the law.